Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Szandria. I'm going to make some banana pancakes. Now, this will be for about 2 people. You can use more bananas. You can double the recipe or triple the recipe. And don't use too much of a massive big banana, okay? Then you will need to use more flour. So for the recipe, I'm using 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 banana, and 1 egg. So I just added a little bit of water so that the consistency is like a nice flowing liquid, not too thin. So we're going to fry it now in a little bit of oil. So use your best pan that you have. Today I'm not using my best ones. This one is a little bit thin. And you can make any size that you want. Small ones, big ones. Another thing, if you don't have self-raising flour, you can use normal flour. You get a very, very soft one if you use without baking powder. I keep mine nice and warm on a pot with boiling water. This is my coffee I made. If your mixture is too thick, all that you need to do is add a little bit of water or milk. But water will be just fine. We're having winter, it's raining a lot today. So I will just flip this one and keep it warm. In the meantime, you stay blessed, everybody, and have a wonderful day further. Until I see you again, remember to watch my other videos and subscribe and share for somebody that might find it helpful. Bye.